Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss one word which can be used in two different ways and it is one of the useful words for IELTS. So without wasting time, let's begin. So the word is incline. We all use incline as a synonym of increase. For example, inflation is inclining at an alarming rate. In Punjabi, this sentence means inflation मतलब महंगाई सो महंगाई बहुत तेजी ਨਾਲ ਵੱਧ ਰਹੀ है सो इस incline ਦਾ use increase ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ but do you know it has also different meaning. Incline also means likely or wanting to do something. In Punjabi and Hindi it means chuka. Now let's look at a few examples and see how it can be used. For example, women are more inclined towards fashion as compared to men. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि औरतां दा झुकाव फैशन ਵੱਲ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ as compared to men ਨਾਲੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ. Next example is mostly youngsters are inclined towards western culture. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾਤਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਝੁਕਾਅ ਜੋ ਆ western culture ਵੱਲ. Next example is nowadays people are mostly inclined towards fast food rather than healthy food. In Punjabi, this sentence means कि लोकां दा ज़्यादातर झुकाव fast food वाला healthy food नालों. I hope you have understood the meaning of this word. So start using this word in your speaking and writing modules. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.